Hello, it's Nick of DigiVisly. If you're watching this video, I'm going to make the assumption that you're a plumber and you're looking to generate more inquiries from your website. You may already be using Checkatrade, Trusted Trader, social media and referrals to generate inquiries, but now you want to make your website work even harder for you. So one of those ways that you may have already worked out is the SEO, search engine optimization. This video is going to highlight exactly what it is and the process in which I take to optimize websites so that you can establish some questions that you might want to ask myself or another SEO company when making that decision to choose who to work with to help you rank #1 in the search result for plumber, your location, as well as boiler installations, your locations, all the other keywords related to the plumbing services that you provide. Without further ado, let's get cracking. We always start with technical optimization. This is, in a nutshell, a technical audit of your website. It tells us how healthy, in a score from 1 to 100, is your website. If it's below 60, what we found is that those websites, regardless of how good their content is and how good their backlink profile is, they all struggle to rank in the search results. On a monthly basis, we work through the technical aspects, the errors and the warnings to do with speed, security, links and navigation, so that over time we see a positive trajectory of growth in rankings and search traffic. Once we've established and worked on the technical aspect of your website, we move on to the on-page SEO elements. This includes keywords, content optimization, so that you can rank for a keyword that has search volume and generate traffic from that search word so that you can generate new inquiries. So we look at doing keyword research. We use a tool that will help us identify different keywords. We use Google Search Console to see which keywords you're currently performing for, and we analyze your competitors as well. So this way we can have a really good understanding of the keywords for your plumbing-based business in your area. So you might find that a plumber in Herne Bay will use different keywords to perhaps a plumber in London, and that's the idea of keyword research at this point, to understand exactly which keywords are right for you. Once we've got a list of keywords and we've analysed the search results in terms of how competitive it is with the different websites there and the referring domains that they have, we then look at creating the content. So we use another special tool that tells us everything we need to know about the content. It tells us from how many words the top 10 search results have, so it could be their content is between 1,000 and 1,500 words. With this information, we then make sure your content is between 1,000 and 1,500 words. It tells us a different density of different keywords to use as well. So this speeds up the process, which drops the price down for you. But it also gives us as an SEO company a sense of confidence that we could rank your website into a certain position that you want. And that you're paying for, because we're using very sophisticated tools that, again, part of our strategy have proven time and time again to work and generate positive results for our clients. Now, once we've done the content aspect, we look at doing the last and final stage of SEO, which is off-page SEO. In other words, backlinks. There are different types of backlinks that we could be using for your website. And in a nutshell, it's really all it is a link from one website pointing to your website. And depending on that website that's linking to you, it has a different effect on your site. So the main things that we do for plumbers is that we will build local citations. These are really important for any local business serving a local area, a town or a city, because it gives Google a signal that you are operating and you're genuinely operating in such an area. On directories like Yelp and Yelp, we will add your business's name, the address and the phone number, as well as the website link too. In most cases, what this does is signals to Google that you're genuine. But it also passes on some authority from these sites to your site that helps your site rank. Because if you get authority from other sites that's voting confidence for you, you'll rank a bit higher. But it's not just those links that we build. We build other links like web directories, so plumbing-based web directories, where other plumbers are listed too. But what really sets us apart from a lot of other SEO companies, particularly doing local SEO, is that we focus on building niche edits and guest posts. These are simply bloggers in the plumbing world, and we outreach them, we contact them and ask them if we can publish a new blog post on their site or if we can edit an existing one. And the most important thing here is that we put a link on this blog post and we link it back to your homepage with your main keyword. It could be plumber Herne Bay, and in this blog post it says this plumber in Herne Bay has talked about XYZ, and we link back to you. It could be that we link to some of your service pages as well, depending on our search analysis to work out how competitive the keyword is, and will determine how many links we might point to a certain web page. So all in all, we look at technical SEO, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. That is the holistic approach for a local business, particularly plumbers. This is how we approach it, and we approach it this way because it is proven for us on a monthly basis by touching on all of these different aspects, we can rank websites to the first position. If you've got any questions for us, feel free to get in touch. And obviously, if you're not looking to work with us yet, or you potentially wanting to work with someone else, I hope this video has found useful for you, and you've got some questions that you can now ask and challenge perhaps an existing SEO company you're working with, or a new one that you might want to work with. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.